So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank on Microsoft Ads. And again, before I begin, my name is Yavar Khan. I create videos on how to make money with affiliate marketing, simple, straightforward, and no bullshit. So please consider subscribing. Now let's get back to the video, right? So perfect. As you could see on my screen right now, we would be promoting this offer called Care Essentials. Okay. It's a nail fungus product. Okay. So let me just go back. Yeah. So yeah, it's a nail fungus product over here. It shows you 3-minute shower hack, flushes away fungus in seconds. We are gonna promote it into Microsoft Ads. First things first, guys, all you have to do is just message him, tell him please give me all the ad copies, the keywords, all the details about the product. Okay, so this is what he will send, this is what he would send you. Okay, the email, what you could send, the native, the product, the keywords. It will send you everything, like literally what demographics are converting, what keywords are converting, banners. Okay, and even the landing page. So this is the landing page. Okay, so with this landing page, I've created a landing page as well. So this is my landing page right now over here. Again, he has also given me keywords as well, right? So all the keywords are over here as well. Okay, so literally I know all the keywords and everything's over here. All I have to do is just go on campaigns, create a campaign. Okay, visit my website, search ads. Okay, campaign name I'm gonna write Care Essential Test. Okay, I'll put a budget of $100. Let me choose. Okay, I'll choose all the tier 1 countries. Okay, United States, Canada. Okay, select English, remove this, save and go to next step. Okay, keywords, I have all the keywords over here. So these are all the keywords right now. Literally you can choose one keyword as well, but I'm just gonna choose fungus natural treatment, or I'm just gonna choose all of these ones. Go back over here, paste it. Okay, group 1. Okay, save and go to next step. Okay, create an extension. My URL would be, so again my URL would be this. Okay, now again if I just go back over here, just copy this thing, paste it over here. Okay, wipe your nail fungus with this, paste it over here. Okay, just go back over here on Care Essentials, go on email. Okay, and then open both of the emails. Okay, and what is this, Thanksgiving? No, you can say scroll down more. From here you can get a lot of ad copy ideas. Okay, watch video now, watch now. Okay, again you can add different variations as well. Literally you can go over here. Okay, and then you can do foot fungus gone, do this, come over here. Okay, now save. Now again I'm not going to show you how to add extension, site link extension, and all of these things I've showed you in my free course. The link is down below, or also you can just literally go on yavarkhan.com. It's a free course. You can just go and just sign up and you can get a free course. Once that's done, all you have to do is save and go to next step. The bid I would keep it as $1. Save and go to next step. And right now again we can add funds and you can start making money out of this thing as well. Okay, so again this is how you do it, guys. This is how you can create ad and start making money, and literally I've made tons of money as well on the same product. So if you found this valuable, please consider subscribing, and Yavar Khan signing off.